Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. I'd like to share my new advent calendar for Christmas. Uh, I am very happy. It's look like surprise. I never saw advent calendar like that, but I think idea is very clever and nice, and I would like to share with you. So paper I use, it's from Mintai by Carola, and I fussy cut few images from the collection and glue them a little bit like 3D and use glossy accent and a little bit write around some doodle around the square, and back side look like that. Actually, idea with folding I get from internet, but idea make advent calendar is mine. So let's see what I did. When we open these two ribbons, we try open first, then second, and then third. I have to make camera smaller so it look like that, and every that square and here have triangles, and 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. What I did, I cut paper and make pockets, and inside the pockets I put that tags with numbers, and behind the tags my idea is write some nice words like surprise for day which is number on. So I think it can be nice idea for make people happy every day from 1st to 21st December. Actually, I am from Slovakia, so we have 24th and 25th we can put on the back side of that mini folding album. I don't know how to call. So look at it. It's really beautiful paper from Mintai by Carola. So 25th can be here or here. So I hope you like that idea, and please, if you like it, push the button subscribe and bell also to see my next new video. And your comment really helped me to get my imagination to my hand and make again something very nice. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.